Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to teach exercise number 4.3 quadratic equation, question number 7. Question number 7. Under root x square plus 2x minus 3 plus under root x square plus 7x minus 8 is equal to under root 5 into x square plus 3x minus 4. So what we will do? First of all, we can see that there is no same term in the whole equation. So what we will do, we'll break the midterm and make the factors. So under root 3 1s are 3 into 1, so x square plus 3x minus x plus minus 3 minus 1 2 and multiply minus 3x square. So 3x as minus x are the factor. 8 factor of 8, 2 4s are 8 and plus 8, x square plus 8x minus x, but we get 7x and minus 8 square. Minus 8 is equal to under root 5 as it is, 4 plus 4x 3 4 1, x square plus 4x minus x minus 4. Now x is common, what is left? X plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 plus under root x is common, what is left? X plus 8 minus 1 is common, x plus 8 is left, is equal to 5 under root x is common, x plus 4 is left, minus 1 is common, x plus 4, and this is whole. Next step, x plus 3 into x minus 1 plus under root x minus 1 x plus 8 is equal to under root 5 x plus 4 into x minus 1. Now we can see that under root x minus 1, under root x minus 1, under root x minus, so under we'll take under root x minus 1 common from the whole equation, and what is left? Under root x minus 1 is common and x plus 3, under root x plus 3 is left, plus under root x minus 1 is common, under root x plus 8 is left, is equal to under root x minus 1 is common and under root 5 x plus 4 is left. So we take in this term in the right side and minus one step is further we will write, and positive we will take in the right side and the left side positive sign become negative sign. What is 0? 0. So under root x minus 1, under root x minus 1, under root x minus 1 is common and this term is left. So first this is first term and this is second term. First of all, we'll take under root x minus 1 is equal to 0. But we get, taking both here, what is get? X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Next time we'll take this term equal to 0. So we will put under root x plus 3 plus under root x plus 8 minus under root 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll take in the right side x plus 3 plus under root x plus 8, minus sign become positive sign, and we'll take in the right side 5 into x plus 4. Now we want to eliminate this under root sign, so what we will do? By taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. What we will get? Under root x plus 3 plus under root x plus 8 square is equal to under root 5 into x plus 4 whole square. Now a plus b whole square, what we do? A square plus b square. This term we consider as a and this term we consider as b. A square plus b square plus 2a into b. So we will take both of these to under root in 1 under root. Right. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, but is left 5 into x plus 4. Now 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, but is left x plus 3 plus x plus 8 plus 2 under root x plus 3 into x plus 8. Now further we will solve. What we get? 5 into x plus 4, 2x plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 2x plus 11 plus 2 under root x plus 3 into x plus 8 is equal to 5 in 5x plus 5 4s are 20. So I take in the right side 2 into under root x plus 3 into x plus 8 is equal to 5x. Positive to become negative 2 plus 20 as it is plus 11 become negative 11. 3x 20 minus 9 2 under root x plus 3 into x plus 8. Now what we will do? By taking square on both sides. Now further what we will do? We can see that there is again under square root sign. So what we will do again? Taking square on both sides. What we get? 2 under root x plus 3 into x plus 8 square is equal to 3x plus 9 square. Further what we do? We will solve. 2 square means 2 under root x plus 3 into x plus 8 whole square is equal to 3 x plus 9 whole square. So 2 square becomes 4 and again we will do one more step. Plus 3 into x plus 8 is equal to 3 into, we take 3 common, what is left? X plus 3 is left. Square as it is, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, 2 2s are 4 into x plus 3 is left and x plus 8. Similarly 3 into x plus 3 whole square is left. 3 square and we will put individually 3 square and x plus 3 whole square individually. Now 3 3s are 9 into x plus 3 whole square and x plus 3 x plus 8 to 4. Now x plus 3 is divided by both sides.